Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandal in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you like the content in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the cheapest or least expensive items that you can purchase from Hermes. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So before we get started, guys, I want to share with you the nail polish of the day that I am wearing. And it's in this beautiful little dark nude with also a chunky glitter. The nail polish is from their Scottish collection last year. And this was called Edinburgh and Tatties, I believe it is. There it is there. Turn it around, guys, so you can see. It's not really showing up. And then the large flake glitter that I have, this one is I'll pull the strings. I don't really care for the large chunky glitter. It's not my favorite, but the two of them look really good together, so I thought I'd show that with you. And also my base coat is always from Sally Hansen. The lip gloss that I'm wearing today is one of my favorites. This one's from Chanel and it is 712. You can see there. I love the consistency of the Chanel product. So, two items I want to show with you today, guys, is something I picked up from Hermes. And these are the cheapest items that you can possibly purchase from this designer. Here is the proof of purchase, guys, and these little envelopes. They also sent me quite a few sample perfumes. So let's open the small one together, shall we? Comes in this nice little box with the Hermes there. Nicely boxed, and I've got some more samples in there as well. Let me take these out. I like how they have it strapped in so it's not moving all over inside the box. So let's go ahead and remove it. And it came in this nice little box. And this one is the Tuiles de Hermes perfume soap. And I paid 29 Canadian dollars for this. This bar is 100 grams. And the reference number for this one, if you are interested, is V40109. So let's take off the pretty ribbon. Oh, it smells so nice. I can smell it already. And I've got some scissors here. Let's go ahead and just take the outer wrapping. Oh, it smells so good. Smell it through the wrapping, guys. Off the plastic here. Oh, wow. That is just beautiful. So if you're thinking of stocking stuffers or anything like that coming up for the Christmas season, this would be the chance to go and pick them up. The smell is unbelievable, guys. Okay. And here it is. It is beautiful. Look at the packaging on that. Look at the Hermes Paris on the side. So it's got a nice weight to it. So if you purchased a couple of these, put them in a gift basket with a bottle of the perfume, who would not love to get that? Oh my God, you guys, this is just amazing. The smell, I wish you could smell it through the video. It is unbelievable. Nice thickness there. It's about 1 inch and a bit. Just gorgeous. Can't go wrong on this, guys. I think I might have to buy some more. They do have a few other scents in the soap, not too many. I think there's like 4 or 5, but oh, I definitely will be purchasing some more of the soap. So 29 Canadian dollars, guys, here in Canada. So the second item that I purchased here, let's go ahead and open this one up. I just love the packaging and the ribbon. gorgeous box. Any guesses, guys, on what this one might be? Let's go ahead and take this off. And they packaged it really nicely anyway. Lots and lots of tissue. And this is what I purchased in this box, guys. Let me take it out of the box. And this item is called the Hermes book. It's made in France. Pop-up book, and the theme is Let's Play, with the iconic scarf drawings. And the one I purchased has got the text in English. The size on this one is 8.5 in your height, 8.5 also in your width, and that is in inches. The price of this book in Canada is 50 Canadian dollars. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. I like what they did with the extra ribbon. That was a really nice added touch. I'll get my scissors and we'll go ahead and we'll open it up here. I don't know if you guys collect books, but like I said, if you put this with the soap for a Christmas gift, it would be amazing for people that like books. So let's go ahead and get this off. And we can open it up here. Let's go ahead. And the first page here is saying about Hermes, pop-up. And these are all with the scarves, guys. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Look at that. Anybody that collects Hermes would love to have this book. So let's change the page to the next one. Look at this, guys. Is that not gorgeous? And it's to do with, like I said, their scarves. And this one here, you pull it. And it changes colors. Beautiful. And the next one, it's all stuck together. Look at this, guys. Is that not beautiful? And the other one. This is a pull down as well. It's hard to see this from behind. Oops. So it's just the hearts that come on in this one. This one here is a pull down as well. They're pretty stiff because they're new, and it just flips up for the different scarves on this one. Beautifully illustrated. Look at this. Is that not amazing? Three-dimensional. I just love this book. And for the cost, you cannot go wrong, guys. For anyone that collects Hermes. And another pull down here. So bear with me because I'm trying to see it from behind and feel my way. Okay. Next page. Look at this one, guys. Is that not gorgeous? I love it with the heart. That is amazing. And then the last one is this one. So if you're interested, guys, pick up these books. I know they won't last long, especially with the Christmas coming. Look at this one, guys. That is so cool. I love pop-up. And the last one. Look at this one, guys. Is that not amazing? Gorgeous, gorgeous book. I just love it. So, guys, these are the cheapest items that you can purchase from Hermes. And it's a $50 Canadian book, which is well worth it. And also the Twilly soaps for $29. You cannot go wrong. Wouldn't that make a nice gift? And you could throw a Twilly in there, some perfume. I just love it. It's amazing. I would not mind getting a gift like this one. So guys, till next time, stay safe and please wear your mask and define your style. Remember, that's who you are, and don't be afraid to show it.